Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can share your screen on Facebook Messenger. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And now that I've said that, this is how you can do it. So first up, this is my Facebook Messenger. You can do this by logging into your account and coming and clicking on the Messenger button. Once you're in here, you will have a bunch of options. I don't currently have friends on this account, but you can video call them and share your screen as well. But I will show you how to do it using a Facebook Messenger Meet. You can create one by clicking on this button. So you can see that my Meet is currently ready, and if I want to share my screen, this process is similar for a video call as well, so you can use it there as well. It is this button right here which says share your screen. Just tap on that. It will give you a bunch of options where you can either share this Chrome tab, you can share the multiple windows that are currently opened in the background of your computer, or you can even share the entire screen. Now that is upon you. You can do whatever you want. Let's say I share the entire screen. I click on that, I click on share, and that's it. You can see here in my video feed that this part of my screen is being shared. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can do it on Facebook Messenger. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.